tired of your Garmin watch dying mid-workout? While loaded with features for fitness tracking, using too many at once can drain the battery. To conserve battery, switch to smartwatch mode when not working out. Today, I'll share tips to maximize your device's battery life. Let's dive in. First, lower the brightness and disable any unnecessary alerts and tones. Who wants constant beeping, right? Also, consider reducing the intensity of vibration alerts or turning them off completely. Next, save the battery by turning off Wi-Fi and any sensors you're not using, and say goodbye to the battery draining always-on display mode. Let's be smart about data recording. Use smart data recording to track only what you need. When you need it, it works like magic for your battery. Also, disable auto-scrolling and give UltraTrac mode a try for longer activities. If you don't need GLONASS or Galileo from the GPS settings, turn them off, your battery will thank you. And if you're not using pulse ox all the time, switch it off. And always make sure to fully charge your device before any activity. Opt for simpler watch faces to save battery. Animated and/or Connect IQ watch faces can have a big impact on battery life. Here's a pro tip: enable battery saver mode. It quickly adjusts some settings to improve overall battery life, perfect for conserving battery when not recording activities. And there you have it, some simple yet effective tips for maximizing your Garmin watch battery life. Never worry about a dead battery again. Happy tracking! Visit support.garmin.com for more detailed support and FAQs.